Hello, Year 8. Welcome to a session on 702 from the textbook, which I'll just walk you through. And so this one deals with types of data. Now, Australia's just had a census across the whole country, and so it was like a big survey of everybody getting information from us about all sorts of things, and the information that they get is in the form of data. And according to this section, there are two main types. Categorical, which is to do with words or groups that are put into categories, or numerical, otherwise known as quantitative. And so, for example, the census would have asked us about people's types of jobs they have, and that would be categorical. And then asking the income from that job would have been numerical. Okay, so we have some examples here in the textbook. The makes of cars is nothing to do with numbers, so that's categorical. People's salaries is to do with numbers, so that's numerical. Weights is also numerical. And favourite radio stations is categorical. So there we go, the broad two main types, and then it divides the numerical into two types. So here's a broad picture of what we're dealing with in this section. So data into categories or numbers, and numbers we can divide into discrete or continuous. Basically, it comes down to the fact that discrete data is counted and continuous data is measured. It gives the examples here. Temperatures would be continuous. There's the idea of being a smooth scale with various ranges in between. You could do distances or times, whereas discrete is actual counting specific numbers. A number of children in a family would be discrete, 0, 1, 2, etc. So there's a broad overview. Data, categorical to do with categories, words, numerical with numbers, and numerical we can get discrete, which is counted, and continuous, which is the smooth scale, like basically measured. Counted, measured. Okay, then it gives a couple more examples. Numerical or discrete or continuous. Number of rooms you're counting, so that's discrete. Loudness is a measure of volume, so that's continuous. People's shoe sizes is discrete, and the weight of whales is continuous. Okay, so exercise 702, we're going to do question 1, 3 and 4. Basically, question 1, classifying into categorical or numerical. So you've got to decide whether, firstly, it's numbers or words. Masses means numbers, so that's pretty straightforward. Brands, prices, numbers, amounts, causes of tooth decay, sets 1, speed of trucks. So you'd put question 1A, it's going to be a C or an N. And so for the rest of question 1. Question 2, we're going to splitting the difference between discrete and continuous. Discrete being counted, continuous being measured. So if you can count it, like the first one, number of homes with solar power is discrete because it's counting. Body temperatures is measured, so that's continuous. Then question 4, we combine all of the various categories, so we're going to decide whether it's categorical, numerical discrete, so counting, and you're going to put C, ND, or numerical continuous where you're measuring, NC. So you put the question number, and then you put C or ND or NC for the answer. And that's, that's it for 702. Thanks everyone.